Hi, if you want to transform your lives, you want to transform your beliefs. It's the easiest, most powerful way of creating the life you want. And this is in all areas of your life. So joy, happiness, love, health, wealth, personal, spiritual development, connection, success. And the easiest and most powerful way of changing your beliefs is through Theta Healing. And we've got courses coming up. We're starting on the 17th of October. We're going to have a fabulous time. So if you want to transform your life, if you want to become a Theta Healing practitioner and help others do the same, if you just want to work on yourself, come. If you want to have more information, if you want to hear from people that have taken the courses before, click on the links. And I just want to mention that the early bird prize finishes on the 25th of September, so book now. And I very much look forward to seeing you there. Take care. Bye-bye.